Did you know you can create custom mockups in Canva? Just drop your image into Canva and search for mockup. At the top, you'll see the option to create your own custom mockup. This feature is available for Canva Pro subscription users. If you don't have a subscription, this option won't work. With the image selected, click on this window. Canva will generate 4 possible mockups. Here they are. You can see one for a billboard and one for a backpack. We'll go with the t-shirt mockup. Now, choose your design and drag it over the mockup. And here it is. Double-click to adjust the size and position. Not quite right yet. And there it is. Looks good. Let's do another one with a mug. Drop the image in, find the mockup creator, and click on it. It says you need to select a photo first. So, select the photo and then click on the mockup generator. Again, it gives 4 options, and I'll choose this mug. Drag your design over the mockup. And here it is. Since this mug has a cap, I need to adjust it a bit. Almost there. And now it looks good. So, if you want to create original mockups that look much better than the ones from print-on-demand providers, you can do it here easily. Custom mockups usually stand out more in the marketplace compared to the publicly available ones that most sellers use.